lovely, lovely, lovely dear brothers and sisters all over the world. Happy soul painting family. Do you feel sometimes that you regret something, what you have said to people? And wished you would have never said that? Oh dear. Sometimes it is like that when we are in such a mood, and then sometimes we said words that then we regret. But these words are sad, and they cannot. You cannot get them back. You cannot remove them. They are outside, and and it's nothing can make them unsaid. So if you have sometimes that in your friendships or with your husband or with your friend, some discussions, then you might stop. You might stop and saying not what you want to say. This is a little bit like a diet, and you will see this diet in your mind or in your words, which are not said. This is good. It is so wonderful when we could see the good things in people. It is really necessary for us, for a calm mind. Years ago, I was so concentrated on the shortcuts of my friend that I became as him. I became as him, and I found out that through keeping my attention so much on his faults, that I got his faults somehow, and I really felt like him. I felt more and more negative. And this it does not need to be like that. So every time again I'm speaking about positive thoughts. It is best to have no thoughts because when you have positive thoughts, also you will have negative thought one day. But keep in mind that positive thoughts or thinking is doing something with you. Today there can be aura photos are possible to make, and these aura photos are telling you about your thinking, and you can test that when you have negative thoughts for a very long time, someday it will affect your body, and you get illnesses and stuff like this. And so it's very, very necessary. It is necessary to have positive thoughts. How to get these positive thoughts? So my suggestion would be find your creative being inside yourself. This creative being is apart from your perishable body. It is in the end, it is your soul, and if you connect some time daily with your soul, your thinking will start changing, and then also it is not so easy anymore for you to say words that you after this regret. So if you like, paint daily a little bit, and it will be also easy to connect with your soul through painting. Painting is something very, very positive, and it is very good to do positive things in our life, to get this habit out of it. So this is my suggestion for you today, and if you like it, then you can subscribe. And also, if you want to have more goodies and freebies, then visit happysoulpainting.com. There are more freebies waiting for you, and I wish you all a lovely, lovely day ahead. Bye bye.